Okay. Hi, guys. Welcome to my office. Well, look at my husband's office. You can see all the sports stuff on the thing behind me. Um, okay, I wanted to check in with quick about the lab that I set up for us last Tuesday, I think. I set up last Tuesday, and you saw it last Wednesday. Um, so I never don't usually do full recordings of just me. It's very distracting to watch my mouth move. And I wish I could switch back and forth on this um, between Smart Notebook and this, but I'm just going to do this, I think, just like this. I wanted to let you know, so we're 7 days into the lab. This was the control bag with just a carrot, right? There's a tiny bit of moisture. I can see a tiny bit of moisture right here in the bag. Maybe you can too, because certainly the carrot was pretty wet when it went in. That's kind of carrot. Um, Smells pretty much carroty, like not too much of a change. If I try to bend, it still feels bendable. You know how carrots kind of have that flexible type feel to them a little bit. So that's the change I see there. I have checked in on them a little bit. And the reason I didn't do a video sooner is because there isn't a ton of change right away and I wanted to give it enough time. So this has been 7 days. So then I have the dry composter. Okay, so this has just soil and the carrot and no other moisture. So here's the carrot. I can find it. Sorry. There's the carrot up there. It was kind of buried in the soil. Feels kind of a little soft. Okay. We do a sniff test. I just smell soil. Okay, so not too much change on that carrot. Then we have the moderate moisture. So this was the carrot in the soil with only 15 milliliters of water. So I can find the carrot in here. Okay, so I found it. It was buried in the soil. Still feels pretty hard. Okay, I wouldn't say there's a huge change in that one. Smells like soil. Now, I will tell you, when I went and got these bags, something did happen with the wet bag. So I wish it could have happened live on camera. That would have been kind of cool. So I picked up the wet bag, the wet composter, okay, which you can even still see the moisture kind of in. That's how much moisture there is in here. This was the 45 milliliters of water. Okay. So when I started pressing on the bag in preparation for coming up here to do the lab, the carrot broke. So I want you to consider that with what we have seen so far. Okay, so this is a piece of the carrot, I think. Find the other piece. This is a piece of the carrot, I think. Oh yeah, there we go. So you can kind of see, sorry, this is so hard. See the orange stuff right there? So that's a piece of carrot. So in the bag with more water, the carrot broke. Okay, so that was, I was feeling in the soil for the carrot, and as I pressed, it snapped. But these other carrots, I can press and feel typical. So this wet composter is doing something right now. I think we should give it a few more days. What's today? Tomorrow's Wednesday. Let me check again maybe on Friday. Definitely by, if not by the following, oh, it's Memorial Day weekend. If not by the early next week, because I think we'll see a big change by then. So I want to keep you updated. So this seems to be a connection with water. Okay, and what is the role of water in decomposition? It's something to consider. Okay. All right, so that was the quick check-in about the carrots. I'm curious to know how your experiments are going. I think I'm going to add a Padlet because I love a Padlet. To tell you guys, I bought myself the upgrade, so I have unlimited Padlets now because they're so much fun. I'm going to add one, and if you are doing your own decomposition experiment, can you let us know how it's going? Maybe add some pictures, perhaps a video, or even just some notes to say this seems to be happening in this bag, or explain a few of you. Some of you were doing oranges, some of you were doing apples, some people were doing carrots like me. So let me know what you've got going on. Okay, talk to you soon.